Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. My name is Abdul Jamil, also known as Kaplan. And this is an introduction to ethical hacking tutorial. So, as you can see, this is a virtual machine environment, a virtual machine window. So, let's start from so as you all know, the first line or the first bar is called the title bar, which carries the name of the program you are running. And in this case, it's called virtual machine. Of course, we are running virtual machine. So yeah. And the next bar is also called the file menu bar. So under menu bar, we've got different menus like file menu, edit menu, view menu, VM menu, tab menu, and some commands or shortcuts created just to make our work easier. So yeah. So what you can see from the left side of the screen or the left screen is called the library, where it contains the list of the virtual machines you already have run or installed in your virtual VMware workstation. So I already opened Kali Linux and Windows Millennium, but let's delete this one and let's try import it again. So let's delete it. Okay. Where do I delete this? Yeah. Okay. I think I just right click it to remove. So right click, remove. Yes. So suppose I want to load a new operating system, a new virtual machine, and I will assume or I already got the virtual machine copy in my document folder. So all I have to do is click on open virtual machine and click on document. So here is the list of files that I got, but I already know that Windows Me, which is Windows Millennium, it's a Windows from 2000. So it's here already. I have the virtual machine here, and I'm going to click on this. So you are also going to click on the file you see available. For you, might not be Windows Millennium. It can be Ubuntu. It can be anything, but you will see this logo and the operating system virtual machine name you see also here. So yeah, so Windows Millennium, and you click open. So Windows Millennium is an operating system that came even before Windows 7, that also come before Windows XP, that also comes, yeah, that also comes before Windows XP. I think it's the XP is the predecessor, is the successor of Windows Millennium, and Windows Millennium is the predecessor of XP, Windows XP. In case you don't know Windows XP, I will show it to you also. So all we have to do is the virtual machine mostly are pre-configured. They are already here pre-configured. As you can see, the memory is allocated 256. Processor is one. It's given one processor. It depends the type of computer you got. As for mine, I got like 8 processors, so I can just allocate one single processor. It's not a big deal. So hard drive is allocated like storage 8 gigabytes. CD-ROM is detectable, so suppose the system got a CD-ROM, but system of nowadays doesn't have CD-ROM except for desktop computers. Yeah. The network adapter is already configured and everything, as you can see here. So description is here, but nothing is written here. Yeah. Okay, so the file menu, the first one is virtual machine. Suppose we want to create a new virtual machine, we'll work on that. The second one is new window. Suppose we want to open a new virtual machine without closing our last virtual machine. That basically open a new virtual machine. Is the same thing. So we've opened if we want to open an already copied virtual machine and we just want to load that virtual machine. It will scan the virtual machine that we got on document folder, and configure auto start VPN. This is if you want to auto start your VPN. whenever a system starts off, whenever you fire a system, it will automatically boot virtual machine. So close tab will close the current tab. Suppose you want to close this Windows Me, so once you click on close tab, it will close the tab automatically. So yeah, connect to server. This will connect to server if you want to connect the server. If you want to export the machine, you can also export the machine. So basically, that's that. So for edit, when you copy something from your a text or whatever from your host machine, suppose you copy just a text from your host machine, you find the text here. So suppose you copy something from virtual machine, you click on copy here, and you can paste it in your host machine. So there's that integration. So view, this will allow you to open your virtual machine in full screen. Auto size will auto scan your screen size and automatically resize to fit your screen. So that's library. So customize. Suppose you want to customize this thing, and I don't think we can do that. So power. This will allow us to start up the guest machine. Suppose in this scenario we have Windows Millennium, which is guest, so we can power it within that. Snapshot will take screenshots. Manage will allow us to upload, clone, delete, when this you get the deal. So on tabs we are using Windows Millennium. If we want to go home, we can just click on go home, or we can simply just click here. So help, we got help about the virtual machine, license fee, registration, software updates, whatever. So play, it will automatically play or power on the virtual machine. So this one is center as this one. What else? So this one will also turn control delete to virtual machine, meaning that suppose you want to use control delete. So this will work as control delete, and this one will take a snapshot. They are just shortcuts of the command, support of the command here. This one will open in full screen. We'll try that. So for this, we'll click on power this virtual machine, and it will give us this notification or window. We can just click it already. So as I told you earlier, this is an old window. I'm just showing you how it works, how to run a virtual machine. I love running old windows. Yeah. So it's loading. So it's still loading. So suppose you're in virtual machine and you want to use mouse, you can simply click and press Ctrl Alt. It will allow you to use your mouse. So yeah, it will allow you to use your mouse. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so okay, this is asking for password, but we just click on OK. It will work. Okay, this is taking longer than expected. Great. This is Windows Millennium. It's not really enabled, right? It's an old Windows, so it's a really old Windows. So that's what I say. Let's try a run command window R. Let's type Windows version, WinVer, and hit enter. So this is Windows Millennium edition. Copyright, as you can see. So luckily, it got document folder, computer, network places, it got recycling, Internet Explorer. It also got Opera. I'm afraid that Opera has been around since this time. I have no idea. That's great. Opera has been around for that long time. Interesting. So this is Windows update. Well, you get the drill. So this is how we use Windows version machine. So suppose I want to pause this Windows version machine, I can simply click here, or I can just press the little the arrow down combo box just to display the other options, and we can just click on shut down guest. That is if I want to shut down this virtual machine, or I can click on suspend guest. That is if I want to pause this guest. So the next time it doesn't have to load, it will just open here. Restart will restart. So that's it. And power up will shut down the entire host, not just the virtual machine. It will shut down the entire host. So don't do that unless you have the intention of shutting down the entire host. So you're shutting down the guest, not the entire host. And we get a warning, and we click on shut down again. Good. So it's off. Okay, that's that.